Does microstepping create more torque? Not really. That is one of the biggest myths about stepper motors. What microstepping really does is redistribute current between the two phases. The current vector rotates more smoothly, but its magnitude stays about the same. So yes, you get more commanded positions in the same 360-degree revolution. But finer position commands do not mean more maximum torque. In fact, the incremental torque between adjacent microsteps gets smaller. That means each tiny commanded move has less torque behind it. And in real machines, friction, detent torque, and load make this even more obvious. Some microsteps may not produce meaningful mechanical motion every time, so microstepping is great for smoother motion, lower vibration, and less noise. But it does not magically create more torques. Next, before you change microstepping, check current setting first.